Hello everyone, and welcome back to TechBlock. Today we're doing episode 4 of the TechBlock vlog. I just got a new sub, Box Block. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. I just got an email that he subscribed. So today we're doing a giveaway, merchandise giveaway. Not my merch, but NETGEAR Nighthawk Pro Gaming merch giveaway. So before we do anything else, let's show you what exactly is being given away and how you can enter. So right here we have a Nighthawk Pro Gaming NETGEAR logo at the back there as well. It's like a freaking hat and stuff. We're giving this away. Now there'll be one winner of all this stuff, so a link to enter is in the description down below. We also have a Nighthawk Pro Gaming t-shirt over here, some NETGEAR logos here and there. Let me flip this over and show you the front. There goes the water bottle. There's the Nighthawk Pro Gaming front t-shirt. It's freaking cool, dude. That's a large. Then in here we also have a water bottle. It's basically this exact same thing. This is the water bottle that I have from NETGEAR. It's pretty cool. You can pour some water in there and stuff, drink it while you play games. So yeah, I've got a second one here. This is the one we're giving away. So we're giving away a water bottle, a t-shirt. We're also giving away a Nighthawk Pro Gaming hoodie right here. Very, very nice quality. And then we also have a freaking backpack to tie it all together. So the link to enter to win all this stuff here is in the description down below. It's through gleam.io, so it's super fair. Random winner will be chosen in the next 2 to 3 weeks, I think. That's when the giveaway will end. So be sure to enter the giveaway, and best of luck to everyone entering the giveaway. Also, I should mention that this giveaway is UK only, so sorry about that to everyone else who's in different countries other than the UK, mainly because this stuff I'm shipping out of my own house, so I don't want to have to pay like 50 to 100 pounds to ship it to the freaking US or something, pay customs fees, all that, you know, lovely stuff. So this giveaway is UK only, and if you're wondering why is this one UK only but my previous Razer keyboard giveaway was worldwide, is the way I'm setting this one up is I'm shipping it out myself. The way I'm doing the Razer one is I'm buying a brand new keyboard from the Razer warehouse to the giveaway winner. So what I'm doing is I'm just buying the keyboard from either Amazon or Razer's website and shipping it directly to the giveaway winner's house. That's the way I set the Razer keyboard giveaway up, so I can make it worldwide. But with this one, unfortunately, it's UK only. So sorry about that to everyone else who's in different countries. But on the bright side, you get to enjoy some Fortnite gameplay from me, as I get comments almost every single day asking, are you going to do a gaming channel? Are you going to post some gaming clips like Fortnite, CSGO, anything? Just post something like if you're actually playing games, dude. So here's a little Fortnite montage of a few kills that I got, some of the decent ones I suppose, as I do play Fortnite now and again. You can add me, I think my username is just TechBlock, so you can add me on there, we can play Fortnite together and stuff. And if you want to play games like CSGO with me, for example, you can add me on Steam. My Steam URL is in the description down below in all of my videos, so if you want to play some games with Steam on me, like CSGO, add me on there, we can play some games. I'm MGE at the moment, my rank is Master Guardian Elite, I think. So yeah, now that's all been said, enjoy some Fortnite gameplay. I got him, I got him. I got him. I'll try to smash him again. Bruh. Anyway, now that that's all out of the way, let's talk about what's going to be happening over in September, the next month, what I'm going to be posting on the channel, what are the plans for the setup for the PC and stuff, you know, what videos I'm going to be posting, all that good stuff. So, in the next couple of weeks, I think, I'll be buying the Nanoleaf Aurora light panels to put above my monitors here. So they'll be going on the wall somewhere right here. Hopefully I can cable manage it all quite nicely so there won't be a cable running down the wall. Maybe I'll drill a hole in the wall to hide the cable. I don't really know yet, but it's going to be a very cool video coming out in the near future. Finally adding something above my monitors, as the wall, as you can probably see, is quite plain after I repainted all the room. There's nothing on the walls really, so it's about time we add something, and that something happens to be more RGB lights. So there you go. But yeah, we're also doing a PC build video for the first time in a long time. I'm not too sure. When was the last time I posted something relating to my actual PC? I think that might have been like half a year ago, where I unboxed my new PC case and I did a little bit of an RGB PC build video. But finally we're going to be doing another PC build video, as so many of you have requested me to do like a build guide, some kind of like RGB PC themed build, I suppose, just something relating to an actual PC build. So finally we're doing one. It's going to be an RGB themed PC build, an RGB power supply, RGB fans, RGB case. Is going to be crazy, right? We're going to be having a lot of RGB stuff thrown into all that, and hopefully it all turns out to look pretty nice, dude. So stay tuned for that to come out in the next couple of weeks. And speaking about my actual PC and stuff, I've been wanting to upgrade it for a very long time. PC upgrades can be quite expensive, especially when you bear in mind that I'm still on DDR3 over here. I've got an i7-4770 CPU, non-K, unfortunately. So me upgrading platforms, it would be insane. Like, I'd have to get a new motherboard, a new CPU, and new RAM. And if I'd get all those, I may as well just get a new graphics card as well. Because my 970, you know, it's a good card, but playing games at, let's say, 4K or 144 Hz, you know, one or the other, it can't really do that well. So chances are what's going to be happening over the next half a year, I hope, is I get a new CPU, new RAM, new motherboard, new graphics card. Oh my god, I'll probably just get like a new CPU cooler as well, maybe one from Corsair or NZXT, but goddamn, that's gonna be very expensive, like well upwards of like £2,000 just for a PC upgrade. So just keep in mind that's a lot of money. So it probably won't be happening for a while because I'm saving up for like a car right now, and car insurance is expensive and the car is pretty expensive too. So yeah, hopefully in the next few months I get an upgrade for my PC, as I think some kind of component is dying in there. Editing videos on Premiere is becoming increasingly difficult over the past few months. The more videos I edit, the more the components inside of my PC just degrade and just work ever so slightly like worse, you know? So in Premiere, the performance has just been getting like worse and worse and worse every video I upload. So I don't know how long that PC has left to live. Rendering videos is still pretty quick, but editing them, man, there's so many problems. And bear in mind, the way I've actually set up Premiere, and I've got like a cache SSD, I've got a scratch disk SSD. Almost all of the video files, the programs, the cache, the scratch are on SSDs. I've got 3 SSDs in the system. The only probably good thing about my PC is that it's got a lot of SSD storage, I think a terabyte in total now. So I've got a 500 gig SSD for my OS, games, and software. I've got another SSD dedicated for page filing, cache, and scratch disks for Adobe programs, and then I've got another one just for video files that I'm currently using to edit on Premiere. So 3 SSDs in total. The setup that I've currently got is, I think, perfect in terms of storage, but Premiere still lags so much. And another problem that I've recently encountered is, as I've been posting more and more videos to YouTube, I've encountered a storage problem. So in my PC, I've got 2 1TB hard drives, one from Seagate, one from Western Digital, and both of them are completely full. If I open up my file explorer right now, this PC, I can show you exactly how full they are. So right here we have my OS SSD, my YouTube Archive 1, 6.7 gigs left of 1TB. The YouTube SSD, this is where all my video files go from my camera. Then we have the cache and scratch SSD, as well as where all the page filing goes for Windows. And then we have the YouTube Archive number 2, another 1TB hard drive that has 31 gigabytes left. Now, if we go on this, I wonder how many gigabytes we've used up this month. All right, in August alone, it's been close to 400 gigabytes. So yeah, we're quickly running out of storage. I've got, I think, around 600 gigs left on my network attached storage. That's the 1TB hard drive attached to my router. So I think I'm gonna start putting footage into that. And when that maxes out, I'm screwed. I need to buy more hard drives, either a NAS with like a 10TB hard drive or 2, just so I can add that to my network and stuff, you know, just some network attached storage, throw all the video files on there once I'm done with them. Alternatively though, what I could do is pick up 1 or 2 10TB hard drives to put inside of my PC. Now the NZXT H700 IPC case can only hold a total of 2 hard drives, and both of those hard drive bays are currently occupied by 2 1TB hard drives. So it's a problem. What I'm gonna have to do is either get a NAS or take those 2 hard drives out, you know, just not use them anymore and replace them with like 10TB hard drives instead. So quite a few decisions I have to make right now. Chances are what I'll be doing is upgrading the storage before I upgrade any of my other PC parts, even though there's a lot of problems right now with Premiere and actually editing the videos, as it can get very frustrating when Premiere crashes or things just like freeze every couple of seconds. And I kind of have like a theory why I have so many problems on Adobe Premiere, and that's because Razer Synapse 3, for some strange reason, manages to utilize 100% of my disk usage, I think in reading stuff or writing stuff to the disk, which makes no sense. You're a peripheral program, you know, you just customize like lighting and macros, and almost all the time that program is for some reason utilizing 100% of one of my SSDs, causing my entire PC to just completely freeze and lock up multiple times whilst editing a video. And it's only a problem that I experience whilst using Adobe Premiere. I don't have that problem when, you know, playing games or browsing the internet. The only time Razer Synapse decides to utilize 100% of my SSD is when I'm using Adobe Premiere, or any Adobe program in general, I think. So it's something very strange. I'm gonna probably email Razer support and let them know of the issue, because it's very frustrating because I can't just turn the software off. Well, I can, but then I lose the functionality of using the little wheel on the keyboard to zoom in and out of my timeline, which is something that I use all the time when editing my videos. I use the wheel to zoom in and out of my timeline to do all sorts of things in Premiere and Photoshop. But if I turn off Synapse, that functionality goes away, but then I get my performance back. So it's very frustrating, and I wish that Razer software wasn't as bad as it is, but you know, I'm sure they'll fix it. They better fix it, because it's very frustrating. And I think that's why my PC has so many problems right now when it comes to editing videos. Even though my CPU is old, I've got DDR3 RAM, you know, it's not a bad PC. I can still play games and stuff. I can still play Fortnite, CSGO, no problem. But yeah, PC problems. But I think I'm going to be ending today's video here. I'm not too sure what else to really talk about. We're going to have some pretty cool videos coming out in the next month. It's probably going to be the best month on the channel in terms of like quality and stuff, and the amount of videos that I'm actually able to post, as long as the PC doesn't die in the next couple of like weeks or so. So as long as I can keep making videos while the PC is alive, I will. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching the TechBlock vlog. I'll be having my review of the Stream Deck coming out, I think tomorrow or the day after. So stay tuned for that. It's a pretty cool kit. I'm not a streamer, but it's going to be like a different type of video from other Stream Deck reviews, I think. So apart from that, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.